And here again, we are going to make real sandwiches together. So what I'm gonna have you do is go get some paper and some markers or some crayons or some colored pencils or just a pen or just a marker, whatever you want. You're gonna press pause and you're gonna go get those things, okay? So I'll give you a minute to go get those things, but press pause first. Okay. I have my 3 markers and I have a piece of paper right here, and we're going to make a sandwich together on paper, okay? This will help you to remember all of the notes in your head. If we write it down, we get practice writing them down, singing them out loud. So what we're gonna do first is, I like to start with like an orange for my bread or a yellow. You could have whatever color bread you want. You could have pink bread, yellow bread, orange bread, blue bread, green bread, whatever you want. And I like to make my bread kind of look like a hamburger so I have enough room for the notes. So I'm gonna make 2 hamburger buns, or, you know, a set of hamburger buns on my paper like this. And I've got 1 bun at top, 1 bun at the bottom. And now I'm gonna decide what kind of sandwich do I make. I need 2 patties in the middle. So I like some green lettuce, and I'm gonna make mine squiggly because I like my lettuce really crunchy. So I've got 2 pieces of lettuce in the middle, and I've got room for some notes right here. So now I'm gonna take my purple marker and I'm gonna make all the notes with my purple marker. So let's do it together. So let's think, what is the first line of the bread? C, G, A, G. Let's make sure I have my C right. C, G, A, G. Let's write it in together. And I know if I were to sing all of the pitches, the notes, with their rhythms, it would sound like this. C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 G. And then I know that the next line is going down the monkey ladder. So let's add in F, E, D, C, and go down the ladder. F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 going down the monkey ladder. Okay, now, is this the same here? Yes, it is the same. So let's write down the same notes. C, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. The flower song backwards and the monkey song going down the ladder. Flower song backwards, monkey song going down the ladder. Okay, now we're gonna go down the ladder again for our 2 pieces of lettuce. We're gonna go down now from G to D. So let's think about the ladder. G is our first note. F, E, D. We stop at D and we start again at G. G, F, E, D. So let's write in our notes. For our lettuce, I'm gonna write G, F, E, D. Let's write it together. G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 D. I've got my first piece of lettuce. Okay, now let's write in our second one. G, 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 F, 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 F. I got a frog in my throat. E, 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 E. Excuse me. D, 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 D. Ooh, now look. I've got 2 pieces of lettuce that are exactly the same. G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 D. G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 D. So now I've got a bread, 2 lettuces, and another bread. Now we can sing every single rhythm with our entire sandwich. We can sing ukulele hot dog like we just did, or we can sing ice cream cone. Let's sing every rhythm together, okay? The singing will help us become better musicians and remember the notes in our head. It'll help us to know what note comes next, and it'll help us to remember the rhythms when we're playing them. So we're not gonna play every rhythm right now in this video. We're gonna sing every rhythm. So let's start with our sandwiches. We both have sandwiches. You have one, I have one. Let's sing it together. C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 C. Let's take a deep breath. And now let's do ice cream cone. You ready? C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. Woo! What comes next? Ukulele hot dog, ice cream cone. You got it. Down pony, up pony. Let's do it. C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 C. Ooh, okay, so we did ukulele hot dog, ice cream cone, down pony, up pony. What's next? You got it. Strawberry, blueberry, strawberry, blueberry, strawberry, blueberry. That's our C. Here we go. C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 D. This is high for me. G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 D. Now the bread, same as the top bread. C, 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 G, 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 A, G, 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 F, 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 E, 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 D, 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 C, 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 C. Whew. Last rhythm, and then we have the theme. Here we go. C, 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 C. Oh, we forgot to say what is our rhythm. You got it. Mississippi is a river. Let's do it. C C C C C C C C G G G G G G G G A A A A A A A G G G G G G G G F F F F F F F F E E E E E E E E D D D D D D D D C C C C C C C C G G G G G G G G F F F F F F F F E E E E E E E E D D D D D D D D G G G G G G G G F F F F F F F F E E E E E E E E D D D D D D D D. This one's hard to say, isn't it? Woo! C C C C C C C C G G G G G G G G A A A A A A G G G G G G G G F F F F F F F F E E E E E E E E D D D D D D D D C C C C C C C C. I feel like a monkey doing that one. Ooh 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 E E E E E E E ah 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 ah. Okay, now last one. This one is our twinkle theme. Our twinkle theme goes twinkle twinkle little star. So we've got at the end of each line is a long note. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So we're going to sing C, C, G, G, A, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, up above the world so high. Like a diamond in the sky, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Now, same as the top. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, C, C, G, G, A, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Woo! Everyone take their sandwiches and take a bow. Now it's time to take a bow. High toes, high toes, high toes. Now you just sing all the rhythms, which is only going to help you to remember all of the rhythms and all of the notes in your head when it's time to play it. So go to the next video and we're going to do a Twinkle Marathon. We're going to play every rhythm and you can use your sandwich if you want to. Okay, I'll see you at the next one.